In this video, I'll be doing another Christmas nail set. So my last one wasn't that Christmassy, but this one is because I think I've gotten my rhythm. But not gonna lie, I had to get some inspiration from Instagram. I've seen these nails pretty much everywhere, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do something similar, but try and put a twist onto it. And I don't know how much of a twist I put onto it, but this is what I came up with. So I did the lazy girl method, but I decided not to show it because I show it pretty much every single time, and I don't want to bore you guys. So to do this Christmas nail set, I decided to use these reflective glitter polishes that I got from Amazon. I wanted to see how this would look as a reflective nail set, and I thought it looked kind of cool at the end. But here are some, not swatches, but just an idea of what they look like under a flash. So here I'm showing the green one, but I ended up not using it because I felt like the minute I put green on this nail set, I'm going to ruin it, so I left it out. So as I was just kind of looking at the polishes, I was figuring out where I wanted certain things to go. But I was like, I don't know what to do. I have the idea in my head, I just don't know how to get it out onto the nails. So I kind of just winged it. I knew I wanted the candy cane striped nails and I just didn't know where I wanted them, but I'll explain the process as I do it. So to paint the lines, I'll be using my white gel polish from Awesome Colour, which I got from a Macart mystery box, and I posted a video on it if you want to see it. Actually, hold on. Before we go any further, if you guys hear banging, it's because there are people on my roof working. I waited for them to leave because they were gone by this time yesterday, and no, they're still here. And every time I wait for their silence and I press record, that's when they instantly start hammering. So I think I'm actually going to wait and do this later on so that you guys don't keep hearing annoying banging. Listening back to it, it doesn't sound that bad, but I know some people are like sensitive to sound, so I don't want to ward anyone away. So I'll be back to finish this voiceover. Oh my goodness. I'll be back to finish this voiceover in like an hour or two. But you're probably thinking like, why don't you just delete what you recorded and then start afresh? I've been trying to record for like an hour, so everything I've worked on this far is staying in, so I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. So right now all I'm doing is just painting the lines. I for sure thought I was going to struggle, but it was pretty simple. I don't really have a technique for lines. Sometimes they fail, sometimes they don't. But I will say for this one, I think me using a different gel polish really helped. Because the consistency of this gel polish is really nice. I could tell a difference between this one and the last white gel polish I used to use from a different brand. And yeah, I can really tell a difference. So I haven't done my favorite comments of the week in like 2 weeks. I'm going to do it in this video. If you want to be featured, all you have to do is leave a comment. If it makes me smile or if it makes me laugh, I'll pick it. Also, if you are new here and you've gotten this far and you haven't subscribed, help me out. Because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers and I'm so impatient. It's like stuck at 8 whatever it is right now. I'm not quite sure. I haven't looked. But it's stuck there. Now, I don't know if it's YouTube like, we're going to make you wait. But crazy. As I'm saying this, I just got a subscriber. But yeah, road to 1K. I want to see if I can get it before the year ends. I don't think it will happen, but I really want it to happen. That can be like my Christmas gift. It'll be the best one ever. So for the middle finger, I decided to do a silver glitter nail. I wanted to draw some white snowflakes on there, but then I was like, let me do the rest of the nails and see if any other better ideas jump out at me, and if not, I'll just go back to the snowflakes. One thing I'll say about these polishes is that the first coat is really sheer. You have to kind of pack it on thick, which sucks because then that can distort the shape of the nail by making it bulky, and we don't want that. So when I realized I had put on just a bit too much, I didn't cure it right away. I kind of left it and let it sit for a little bit so it can self-level, and it actually worked. So for my ring finger, I went in with that red glitter, and then for my pinky, I went in with the silver glitter. For the pinky, I decided to do another candy cane stripe nail, but I wanted to do glitter on glitter, mostly because I wanted to see how the reflectiveness would look. Is reflectiveness even a word? I mean, I don't think it is, but it is today. So yeah, that's why I did that. So I have a question for those of you that do your own nails. So like the nail YouTubers that watch me, or those of you that do your nails but don't film it. So when you go to do your nails, do you know exactly what you're going to do and then execute it? Or do you have somewhat of an idea and then freestyle it? I really need to know this question because I want to see what other people's processes are. And the question for those of you that don't do your own nails, those of you that may go to a nail shop or a nail technician, do you show them a picture of what you want, or do you describe to them what you want? I'm trying to create a very interesting discourse in the comments. I'll be really sad if no one comments and answers my questions. So for my thumb, I just decided to paint that with the red glitter. So this is everything painted, and I thought, I need to add something because they were kind of bland to me. So I have these charms that I got from Shein, and I thought, okay, these are perfect for this. I also realized that I was going to draw the white snowflakes, and I was like, okay, I just found these charms, so I'm going with that. It's a lot quicker. So to adhere these charms, all I did was put a bead of top coat, put the charm on top, and then cured it. So I put one of the snowflakes on my thumb, and when I was done, I just put on some top coat. So I forgot to put top coat on this nail before I put the snowflake on it, so I had to struggle here and do it. So this is the end result. What do you guys think? I really like them. It's a huge upgrade from last week's video, which was supposed to be a Christmas nail set but wasn't giving Christmas nail set. This is what it looks like under a flash. I really like the reflectiveness of it. The middle finger kind of reminds me of white noise on a TV. But if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.